Good morning, student. In this video lecture, we will study the idea of Satyagraha according to Gandhi. Now the question is that what is this Satyagraha? As I have told so many times, the literal meaning of Satyagraha is request to accept the truth. Request to accept the truth. It has been derived from the two words, that is the Satya and another is Agra. Means सत्य के लिए आग्रह करना, मीन्स रिक्वेस्ट करना कि हमारे सत्य को आप एक्सेप्ट कर ले। सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ दिस रिक्वेस्टिंग टूल, रिक्वेस्टिंग आइटम, requesting procedure could make a tools, could make a weapons to fight against the Britishers. Gandhiji, as you know the history of the Gandhiji, he completed his study of barrister in London, and after that he came in India. He started educating here, and in one case of his educationship, he went to South Africa, and in South Africa there was the same operation, there was the same anti-colonial government, that was the Britishers. Britishers were ruling there also, in South Africa as well as in India. So there was a racial discrimination against black and white people. Gandhiji started a movement which is known as Satyagraha. And that Satyagraha was very much success there. When he came in our country, in January 1915, many of the leaders of our country request him to start the Satyagraha in our country also. At first he rejected. He told that no, first I will see the condition of India. First I will move, I will watch, and after that I will find that how could I implement Satyagraha here. Now the question is that what was the meaning of Satyagraha according to Gandhiji? How it could be a tools, a weapons to fight against the Britishers? Let us see what is the Satyagraha according to Gandhiji. The idea of Satyagraha emphasizes the power of truth and need to search after. It emphasizes the power of truth. ट्रूथ के पावर पे जोर देता है, मीन्स देयर इज सम पावर इन ट्रूथ. गांधी जी यूज्ड टू से दैट सोल इज मेड अप ऑफ ट्रूथ. हमारी जो अंतरात्मा है वह सत्य को एक्सेप्ट करती है, सत्य से बनी है. गांधी जी emphasized the power of truth and need to search of truth. He used to say that there is a need to find out the truth. If the cause was true and the struggle was against injustice, then the physical force was not required to fight the oppression. Suppose you understand that you are on the right path, you are at the right position. Then and in your against there is a person, those who are at the wrong position, they are at the injustice, they are doing injustice. You are right, and the person, those who are against you, they are not at the right position. They are at the wrong position. They want to fight against you. Now the question is that He used to say that if the cause was true and the struggle was against injustice, then physical force is not required to fight the preacher. अगर आप सही हैं और सामने वाला गलत है, आप 100% निश्चिंत हो गए, उसके बावजूद भी वहां पर युद्ध करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वहां पर इस डंडे की जरूरत नहीं है. Now the question is that how could we win the battle? How could we win the people, those who are against you? He gave a new way, new and unique way, and that was the Satyagraha. What he told in Satyagraha, the conscience of oppressed person. Conscience means होता है अंतरात्मा. Oppressed means जो पीड़ित व्यक्ति है, जिसको सताया जा रहा है, उस व्यक्ति की अंतरात्मा उस व्यक्ति से संपर्क करेगी जो उसको सता रहा है. The conscience of oppressed person will appeal to the conscience of oppressor to see the truth rather than forcing them to accept the truth. आप देख सकते हैं एक ये ऑपरेस्ड पर्सन है जिसको सताया जा रहा है, जिसको ऑपरेशन द्वारा दबाया जा रहा है, मारा जा रहा है, तो इसको कुछ ऐसा करना होगा जिससे इसकी अंतरात्मा से कहे कि देखो देखो तुम्हारे कारण हमारी ये दुर्गति हुई है, तुम अपने आप को संभलो, देखो तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम कहां जा रहे हो. और धीरे धीरे एक दिन ऑपरेशन की जो कॉन्साइंस है, अंतरात्मा है, वह गलत कार्य करने से रोकते हैं. I would like to ask one thing to all of you. Have you seen the movie लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई या मुन्ना भाई MBBS? In these movies, Sanjay Dutt tried to play the role of Gandhigiri. They tried to visualize the concept of Gandhigiri, that what was the Gandhian philosophy. How can we win the heart of other people? In one of the scene of Lage Raho Munna Bhai, there was a person, those who generally came from the stairs and picked the pan masala to the in front of the door of the other person. So that person called to the Sanjay Dutt that how can I solve the problem? He said that don't worry, you don't fight against him. What you have to do, you have to wash that place where he will pick tomorrow. And the same thing he did. When the next day that person came from the stair, he washed that place. Again the next day also, after 2 and 3 days, when he saw that he is very much conscious about his place, then he realized his mistake, and then he said that okay, sorry, I will not do it again. So in this way, the conscience of oppressed person appeal to conscience of oppressor to see the truth rather than forcing them to accept it. Gandhiji believed that if we believe that this dharma of non-violence would unite all the Indians, जिससे सारे भारतीयों को एक छत्र के नीचे आकर के और युद्ध करने में सहायता. Actually, Gandhiji knows that Britishers, they worship the god and goddess of war. वह युद्ध की देवी देवता की पूजा करते हैं. वो गोला बारूद के साथ सोते थे, उनके पास बहुत ज्यादा हथियार थे, और हमारे पास डंडा हुआ करता था, लाठी डंडा हुआ करता था. हमारे भारतीय बहुत सारे थे जो गोला बारूद को देखे नहीं थे, बंदूक को देखे नहीं थे. तो उनका ऐसा विश्वास था कि हम युद्ध करके, डायरेक्ट युद्ध करके उनसे नहीं जीत सकते हैं, लेकिन हम कुछ ऐसा करें, हम अपने सत्य के बल पे हम उनको ये एहसास दिला दें कि हम सही हैं, आप जो रूल कर रहे हैं, आप जो भारत में शासन कर रहे हैं वो गलत तरीके से कर रहे हैं। जब ब्रिटिशर्स को ये एहसास हो जाएगा तो वह धीरे धीरे अपने आप ही चले जाएंगे। इस विश्वास के साथ गांधी जी ने सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट भारत में स्टार्ट किया। ओके, थैंक यू।